Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making a slow cooker recipe, and it's called slow cooker chicken and stuffing, and you cook it on high for 4 hours. So here are the ingredients. I have 2 pounds of chicken here, and you salt and pepper it, and I have 2 packs of stuffing mix I'm going to be using, and then a chicken broth, and then cream of chicken soup, 2 cans of that, and so and you spray your crock pot. So when I get my chicken prepared, washed, and get this extra skin off of it, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back and I have my chicken washed, and so now I'm going to salt and pepper it. I'm going to do this on both sides. Okay, I have my chicken salted and peppered on both sides, so now I'm going to spray my crock pot. Okay. So now I'm putting my chicken in my crock pot. Mix up my cream of chicken soup. I'll be using 2 cans of this, and today I've got a lot of errands to do, and so this will be nice when we finish and I have my meal already done for today. And me and Calvin wanted some chicken dressing, but we didn't want to go to all of the trouble of cooking cornbread, and so this is a good little recipe for satisfying that dressing craving, and it's easy also. So I'm just going to whisk this up and pour it right over the stovetop stuffing mix. I'm also going to be making a quick dessert. Today I'm going to be making a brochure salad, and it's going to be real yummy too. Okay, I think that's mixed up good, so now I'm going to be pouring my stuffing mix over my chicken breast. Oh, it smells really good. Can smell that sage in it. So now let me pour in my cream of chicken and chicken broth over it. Okay, I'm going to cook this on high for 4 hours. Okay, we just got back from doing our errands, and this house smells so good. It just smells wonderful. This crock pot meal has really made it smell great. Okay, I'm going to test this to see if it's done. And the knife is going through the chicken extremely good, so I know it's done. I'm going to plate up our chicken and dressing. And it's cutting through that chicken just perfect. Hi, our meal is done now, and we're having crock pot chicken and stuffing, deviled eggs, green beans, cranberry sauce, ambrosia salad, and sweet tea. And I can't wait to dig in. Love what you do and do what you love, and have a great afternoon. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here